What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Spartan channel. Yeah, as you can see, I have my tactical grips. Yes, recovery tactical grips. So I'm going to take these grips off. And when I take them grips off, then I'll be back and then put these recover tactical grips on, and I'll be showing you guys how to do it with the stuff they give you, which is the Allen wrench and the screws. And so be right back to show you guys that. Be right back to show you guys that. After I take the grips off, then I'll show you guys how to put on that. Off, as you can see, so this is what you want to do. You want to place it inside there. You see the grooves. So you want to line it up. On there. I'll go to the other side. Show you how it looks inside there. This is how it looks on there. Fits in pretty good. Okay, let's tighten them up. And it's fitting over the trigger guard pretty good. Nice snug fit. Let's do the other side. Now I'm not really into the tactical look. I really like the regular look, because I think the tactical look take away the look of the gun to me. That's just my opinion. Now some do look nice. And I'm not a fan of the Glocks. But I'm coming around. I don't like the look of the Glocks. I don't like that box look. But that's me. And that's what I call it, a box look. Alright, so now as you can see that this part right here is loose. So that's where you put the screws in, right here on the trigger guard and right here on the rail. So we'll put that in there. Put that on the other side over here. Start tightening that up. As you can see, the gap is starting to close up. Excuse me. So let's go to the next one. Put the screw in there first. Seems like this one want to be difficult. Now I'm going to go back over, tighten them up. Not too sure if I should tighten them too tight, so I'm not going to tighten them too tight. I'm just going to tighten it enough so that way that's good enough. Alright, so I believe I can put this one, because this one is like further in there. So I'm going to do the other one the same. Alright, so I guess that's it. So now it's on there. That's closed tight. Closed tight. And I like that it has little ridges on the trigger guard. So you can hold it like that if you want. Let's see what it looks like with the light on there. And just that fast is on it. That's it. Now, it is slippery right here, even with the ridges right here. Now, right here is real. That's where it sticks out at. So it will grip right here. But that's what it looks like. The Recover Tactical grips. Fast and easy, and I like it. And even with the light on, let me put the light on there and show you. Sorry for interrupting the video. I just want to show you guys this real fast. What I want to show you is the trigger guard. It makes it easier for, as you can see, it is clear. It makes it easier for you to get a good grip on it. And I'm going to show you right there, as you can see, ridges. And the one I do have on my is the 1913 key on there. 1913 key. Come on, focus. Oh, I got upside down. I don't know if you can see it. But it's the 1913, and the groove right there goes right on to it right on here, like right on there. That's tight. And now that's on there. But I like it. As soon as I put my fingers on the trigger guard, it puts my eyes right on the sights. And it changes the look a little bit, as you can see how it looked before. It changes the look of it. Because before my trigger guard is round, but it made it square a little bit. So real good, nice and easy to put on, and that's it. So I'm liking it a lot. I'm loving it. But that's enough of that. I'm going to let you go ahead back to the video so you guys can finish watching the video. All right. And for 1911s, they have them for different sizes as well. This is a 4 size 1911. They also have them for commander size. This is a government size because you have your commander size, commander's medium size, government is 4 size, and your officer size is the small size. Now I will be showing you guys another, because I'm gonna get me a commander size 1911, so I will be showing you that. That one is going to my wife, but I might take that for a little bit. When she don't have it, I might take it, have that for a little bit. But just don't tell her. Just don't tell her. However, if you guys tell her, I'm gonna deny it anyway. So anyway, that is it for the tactical recover tactical grips. That's it. Real easy to put on your 1911s. They look nice. With the rail, you can put a laser on there if you want. It's up to you, or a light. Or they have something where it's though that you can put another rail on side here, and it goes up top, and you can put your optic sights on there. But it's up to you. But I like it. It looks nice. Let me know what you guys think about it. So that's it for this one right now. I probably do more. I want to get like I said, some nice sights. These are the sights I did myself with fingernail polish. So I showed you. So I like it. Nice. It's not loose or nothing. So that's it, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.